Should have cleaned that windshield. Everybody see better. I'll get on to her about that, y'all. Sun's going to glare. Say hey to anybody. We headed back to the house. Ride down the road, some friends of ours real quick. Feed the critters. We're gonna get into Peppermint for Brother Earl up there in Tennessee to help us out, getting our name out there. We're going to be dropping peppermints into some nukes when we get to the house. We ain't got time to get in there, everybody. It's getting late. But we're going to take and step it up on our end and do our part. Help that man out. He helped us out. It is working. Hive beetles ain't nowhere near as bad. They're still out, don't get me wrong, but instead of opening the boxes up and seeing 15, 20 of them, it's becoming more of 3 or 4 kind of thing. But we'll see y'all when we get to the house. Alright y'all, sun's going down, we ain't got time to get into everybody. We just want to show you, it's April 24th, 2022. Look at that. All that pretty cap stuff. It's an end of the line. They say we're doing our part. Get our peppermints ready. Drop them off down in here. We'll check on them in a few days. Alright. Wrapping it up on this one. Stick our last couple of peppermint down in here. Let's see where they went. Yeah. Get it? Put another one in there. He said you put a lot.
Just sticking them on the corner.
Stand by. No. Now. Let's take these little guys, set them back here. Put them in the corners. Bingo. Yep. We got some queen cells out of here. Let me hold that for you.
6 of them.
6, she said. There's the double there. Little in there. This in here is pretty big. That one there. And This one here. We're gonna stick them in the poor man's incubator, see how they do as well. We'll be getting into the nukes next. Like I say, we'll check them about a couple days. There was some beetles in here when we got into it earlier. What we had been having to do is we got a vacuum and a small water hose. I'll put some dishwater in the bottom of that little wet dry vac. And as we pull these little individual panels off, it makes it a lot easier really with the horizontal hive doing this, but as soon as you pull that one little individual slat out of there, you can get them vacuumed up pretty quick. But like I say, we'll check back with you. Appreciate y'all watching Gunline. We're not done. I'm back. I'm gonna go ahead and drop some of these little splits we done. This one here is Queen Right. This bunch is about 4 weeks now. I believe it is. We done them pretty early. Or done this bunch pretty early. We started swarming. Shoot, I'm gonna say about 5 weeks ago. We caught the tangin swarm, then we lost a swarm. Which is on us. Should have been out here a little bit more than what we was at the time. But we got it now. Bingo. Alright, let me get that put in the corner. We'll move over here to these other two. Get them done real quick. Alright, split number 2. This one as well is Queen Right. I'll show y'all what we're doing though. Take your piece of propolis, ball it up, get you a little stick or something. A little bit of that propolis. Stick it on there. Stick your candy on there. Just enough to hold it. Watch this. And just roll it off. That way you ain't got to be moving a whole bunch of frames or trying to drop them in there. Helped out for us. Bingo, right in there. Ain't gotta worry about bothering folks much. They don't get too fussy. Well, the phone's blurry. Sorry about that. That's that. 2, 3, and 4. One more. Alright, last one for this evening. Nothing fell off. Just a minute. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. This is it for good. We'll get the other ones next day or so. And again, we thank you, Hillbilly Bee Keeping, for giving us a shout out. We'll let everybody know on our end what's happening down here in South Alabama, because the beetles are here. So if it's gonna work, it's gonna be down in here. Y'all take it easy.